Get him, Jackson. You could eat Lily.
I'm gonna hide this too.
Yeah, get on, please. Thank you. Go get that kitty.
At least there'll be some kind of record.
Jackson's all. Look at both of them.
I still have room to go on.
See, I still haven't figured out how to.
Oh no.
Crap.
Jackson's getting wound up.
Thing. I think it rips through your
Excuse me.
clothes when it takes you over. Found some shredded long johns, but the name tag was missing.
Lily's all, I will get you. And Jackson's all, do it.
Nobody
What
trusts
you did
anybody
there?
now.
No. Hannah's like,
Jackson's got claws.
Lily. Lily's the only one brave or stupid enough to screw with him.
So she thinks she's faster than a speeding bullet.
She is.
Yeah, but not as fast
Look
as
at
a
him.
cat's claws.
Oh. Both of their ears.
Well, what?
Oh, Hannah, Dana. She says, I'm safer over here with Grandma.
If you take those claws off of Jackson, I'd play.